How to activate Marketplace on Facebook. Welcome back to a new video of TechTube everyone. In this video, I'm exactly going to show you the way that you can activate the Marketplace on your Facebook account. If this is something that you want to learn and if this video sounds helpful to you, then make sure you watch it until the end. Now there may be a couple of reasons why Marketplace is not showing up for you. Firstly, to check if the Marketplace option is available on your account or not, you just need to tap on the menu on the top right, and under all shortcuts, if you see the Marketplace option, that means the Marketplace is available for you. If the Marketplace is not showing up on this section, that means your account may not have the Marketplace option. Now, one of the reasons that may be because your age on Facebook is less than 18. Facebook does not give access to Marketplace to people who are less than 18. So if you want to get the Marketplace option, you can easily switch your age to at least 18 on your Facebook account. And that will help to solve your issue and the Marketplace option will be activated. But however, there are some other reasons as well. The other reason could be that Marketplace is not available in your country. Facebook has not given access to Marketplace in every location, so you can check out if it is the case for your country as well. You can just Google it up and see if that is the case. The other thing that also could be if your phone is outdated. If you have an older version of any phone, whether it be iPhone or Android, if you have an older device, the Marketplace option would not show up. So these are some of the reasons why your Marketplace option is not showing up. If that is the case, you won't be able to activate it unless you change the device, or if you're in a country where Marketplace is not available, you cannot do anything about it. So that is the way that you can activate Marketplace on your Facebook. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If it did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily videos just like this.